Hello everyone, it's Gigi. This is entry number 4 and I'm not sure who it's from. It says the Williams on the front and then this was on the inside, so I wanted to open it online. Look at all the kitties. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's open it up. And I don't know if I said, but this is entry 4. Going to see who it's from and what is inside. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me move the paper out of the way. Okay. So let's check out, is this the card? Look at the balloons. I love it. Oh my gosh, strawberries. So cute. Oh, it's from Janna. Okay. Says, Gigi, happy birthday, you sweet thing. I hope all your birthday wishes come true. JannaStamps on YouTube. So it's JannaStamps, and she said, hug Janna Williams. This is so cute. I love this card, hun. Thank you so much. And you sent me goodies. Oh my gosh, look at the yoga kitties. Oh, I love them. I don't have these ones. These are so cute. Thank you. Oh, and Snoopy. I don't have this pair. Oh, I love it. Thank you. To go with your mermaid designs, they have scales that a mermaid tails. Oh, these are cute. Thank you. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Oh, it's bees. Look, guys, it's a clipboard with bees and a matching pen. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Our store didn't have any with the fruit, but they had these. I hope this was the size you were looking for. Oh, thank you, hon. Oh, thank you. Oh, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Look at them, guys. Aren't they pretty? Aw, thank you. I appreciate you, Janna. Aw, you're so sweet. And I love your card. And I love everything you sent. So this is entry number 4. Guys, please enter my giveaway. It's still open. Okay, love you guys, and thank you, Janna. Bye.